So following on from the previous video, we worked out that the area for this triangle is given by AB over 2 for sure. We know that this is true. The area of this is AB over 2. So now we need to work out the area of this. Well, introduce a new variable. Well, you could call this C here. You could call this length C here. Remember, when we call this length C for this triangle here, the C cancels itself out. When you use algebra, the C will just get killed off. It will just naturally disappear. So now we're going to use the same technique for this triangle here. But rather than calling this C here, let's call this length here C, from here to here. Okay. So the trick here is to visualize this as this. Hang on. So here you've got a right angle triangle here. Okay. So if you call this C here, so what we're going to do is we're going to work out the area of this whole triangle here, and then we're going to cut and throw away this bit here. Then that will leave us whatever's left. Okay. So we're going to visualize this as this. Hang on. We're going to visualize this as one long rectangle. So from here to here will be C. So now let's work out the area of this whole big long triangle here. So this would be the height, which would be A. Okay, so it would be A times this whole length here, which will be B plus C. Okay, and then we need to divide it by 2 because so this whole length here times this B plus C here will give you a rectangle, but then you need to cut it in half to give us a big triangle here. So now we need to take away this triangle here. We need to take away this triangle here. So this triangle here will be A times C, and then cut it in half. So this alone here would give us the area of this triangle here. Okay. So now we just need to simplify it. So this is our area here. So now area equals well, same denominator. We can merge the two fractions. Okay. So that will then give you A bracket B plus C take away AC over 2, and then multiply this out. So that will then give you, hang on, multiply this out. This times this will give you AB, and then this times this will give you plus AC, and then you've got take away AC. Can you see that this gets, well, these two will get killed off. Okay, so because hang on, because this here is exactly the same as this here, you well, these two will just get killed off here. So leaving you AB over 2. So as it turns out, can you see that the C here naturally gets killed off? So leaving you just AB over 2. So the area of, hang on, so the area of this whole thing here is given by AB over 2. The area of this here is given by AB over 2. The area of this here is given by AB over 2. By reading the algebra here, you can see that they're all the same. All three areas are the same. Okay.